In the tumultuous world of stock markets, few sectors thrash as wildly in the tempests of change as the technology sphere, especially those pioneering in semiconductors. Recently, Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a bellwether of the chip industry, saw its stock nosedive in a fashion that rattled even the most stoic of investors' cages. This descent has fermented a broader introspection. Is this the tremor before a seismic collapse in the semiconductor arena? Or merely a temporary blip on the radar of an otherwise booming landscape? In the last quarter, AMD's stock plummeted by over 20%, stirring a whirlpool of speculation and uncertainty among investors and market analysts alike. This sharp decline was trailed by a series of revenue forecasts that seemed to crystallize fears over a global semiconductor slowdown exacerbated by diminishing consumer electronics demand. Initial post-mortem analyses suggest that the downturn can be partially attributed to competitive pressures, notably from rivals such as Intel and Nvidia, which have aggressively ramped up innovation and market penetration. Furthermore, global supply chain disruptions, lingering from pandemic-induced constraints, have also played a considerable role. These factors combined have created a perfect storm, precipitating AMD's current predicament. Yet, it's crucial to note that while AMD's woes make headlines, they do not necessarily spell doom. The company has historically showcased resilience and capability to pivot swiftly in response to market demands. Industry analysts emphasize that AMD's robust R&D framework and strategic partnerships could allow for a rebound should they effectively leverage emerging technological trends like AI-driven computing and 5G integration. The shockwaves emanating from AMD's stock tumble have undoubtedly stirred contemplation across the semiconductor industry. A sector accustomed to cyclic shifts and technological leaps, the ripple effects are being closely scrutinized by stakeholders across the spectrum. Comparatively, sector giants like Intel and Nvidia have also faced their own trials, though none as steeply as AMD. Yet this scenario provides an enlightening peek into the volatile dynamics of the tech sector. Investor sentiment often swings with perceptions of innovation leadership and market saturation, and AMD's current downturn could reflect broader sectoral anxieties about an overdue market correction. Moreover, the impact reaches beyond mere stock valuations. A potential sustained downturn for AMD might lead to reduced capital for research and development, a scenario mirrored across smaller players in the industry. This could decelerate the pace of innovation with long-term repercussions for the deployment of advanced technologies like quantum computing and enhanced neural networks. Through the prism of AMD's recent stock tumble, a nuanced perspective on the semiconductor sector emerges. It reflects not just the vulnerabilities of a single company, but the systemic challenges and opportunities within a critical industry at the frontier of technological evolution. As dramatic as downturns can be, they often prelude episodes of significant rejuvenation, propelled by innovation and strategic foresight. Thus, rather than signaling an end, AMD's current predicament might just be setting the stage for a compelling comeback, underscoring the resilient, dynamic nature of the tech industry.